There is one word to describe our number 4005, and that word is workhorse. From switching duties to passenger trains, this little diesel switcher has done it all. Today, we will take a look at 4005's history and service. Let's start with some general statistics and history. Number 4005 is a Baldwin RS-4-TC diesel switcher built in 1954 for the United States Army. RS-4-TC means Road Switcher Service, 4th Military Class, Transportation Corps. Only 74 locomotives were built for this series. Many of them had adjustable gauge trucks for potential foreign use. Most, including 4005, remained in the U.S. Many of them can also be found, to this day, working on tourist railroads and railroad museums all over the country. After service for 42 years, the 4005 arrived in Nelsonville. 3 years later, it was repainted blue with yellow Hocking Valley lettering. 4005 has proved its worth over and over again to the Hocking Valley Scenic Railway. Being small, yet powerful, and relatively simple to operate, 4005 can handle just about any task that is thrown its way. It can normally be found on switching duties around the shop and yard, but it will substitute on passenger trains if necessary. It is also used for maintenance of way duties and track inspections after bad weather. Long story short, where would our railroad be today without 4005?